MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides dependable oil heating services in Pottstown, PA, helping homes and businesses stay warm with efficient, reliable systems. Our experienced technicians offer installation, repair, maintenance, and replacement of oil heating equipment to ensure safe and consistent performance. Whether your system needs routine service, troubleshooting, or a complete upgrade, we deliver prompt and professional solutions tailored to your needs. We focus on maximizing efficiency, improving system lifespan, and maintaining indoor comfort. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for expert oil heating services in Pottstown, PA, and enjoy dependable warmth throughout the heating season. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for oil heating services near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides oil heating services in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional oil heating services in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses that rely on oil-based heating systems. Oil heating systems are known for their strong heat output and reliability during cold Pennsylvania winters. What services are included in oil heating services? Oil heating services in Pottstown, PA include installation, repair, maintenance, and system replacement for oil furnaces and boilers. MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers comprehensive services tailored to meet each customer's needs. What is your oil heating services in Pottstown, PA? Our oil heating services has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pughtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://pjmashvats.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown PA/.